Are you ready to transform your mornings into a powerhouse of productivity? Morning walks can work wonders for your physical and mental health. Start by stepping outside as dawn breaks to enjoy the serenity of nature. This simple act can invigorate your body, helping to regulate your circadian rhythm and boost your energy levels throughout the day. Aim for a brisk 30-minute walk, allowing your mind to clear and your thoughts to flow freely. Incorporate breathing exercises. Deep, slow breaths can enhance your oxygen intake, reducing stress and anxiety. Pair your walk with mindfulness by being aware of your surroundings. Listen to the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and feel the freshness of the morning air. This practice encourages gratitude and presence, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Don't forget your hydration. Drink a glass of water before you head out to keep your body energized. Finally, consider a light, nutritious breakfast afterward to fuel your day further. With just a few adjustments, morning walks can significantly enhance your well-being, promoting a healthier, happier lifestyle. Get out there and make nature your alarm.